Crete, a Mediterranean paradise. Crete, the largest Greek island. Crete is a captivating destination that offers a perfect blend of history, culture, stunning beaches, and delicious cuisine. Here are some of the highlights of this beautiful island. Historical sites. Knossos. Explore the ruins of the Minoan Palace complex, one of the most important archaeological sites in Europe. Phaistos. Visit the ruins of another significant Minoan palace, known for its intricate frescoes. Gortys. Discover the ancient city of Gortys, with its well-preserved Roman ruins. Beautiful beaches. Elafonisi. This pink sand beach is a must-see, with crystal clear waters and stunning scenery. Balos Lagoon, a secluded lagoon with turquoise waters and white sand dunes, accessible by boat or on foot. Phalasana, a long, sandy beach with shallow waters, perfect for families. Mountainous landscapes. Samaria Gorge. Hike through Europe's longest gorge, surrounded by breathtaking scenery. Psilorates, the highest mountain in Crete, offering panoramic views of the island. Heraklion, the capital of Crete. Heraklion is a great base for exploring the island's historical sites. Harnia, this charming city on the western coast is known for its Venetian harbor and picturesque old town. Rethymno, a beautiful town with a Venetian fortress, a historic harbor, and lovely beaches. Ias Nikolaos, a sophisticated town on the eastern coast, offering luxury resorts and stunning coastal scenery. Chersonesos, a lively resort town with plenty of nightlife, water sports, and family-friendly activities. Cretan cuisine. Darkos, a traditional Cretan dish made with barley rusks, tomatoes, feta cheese, and olive oil. Cretan salad, a refreshing salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, feta cheese, and olive oil. Sfakiana pie, a savory pie filled with cheese and herbs. Tips for visiting Crete. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Crete is between May and October, when the weather is warm and sunny. Getting around. Renting a car is the best way to explore the island, but buses and ferries are also available. Accommodation. Crete offers a wide range of accommodation options, from budget-friendly hotels to luxury resorts. Packing. Pack lightweight, breathable clothing, sunscreen, a hat, and comfortable walking shoes. Crete is a diverse and captivating island that offers something for everyone. Whether you're interested in history, culture, beaches, or outdoor activities, you're sure to have an unforgettable experience. Chania, is a charming city located on the northwestern coast of Crete, Greece. Known for its rich history, stunning Venetian harbor, and beautiful beaches, Harnia is a popular tourist destination. Key attractions in Harnia. Venetian harbor. This picturesque harbor is lined with colorful buildings, cafes, and restaurants. It's a great place to stroll, admire the views, and enjoy fresh seafood. Old Town. The narrow, winding streets of the Old Town are filled with historical buildings, shops, and traditional tavernas. Harnia Archaeological Museum. This museum houses a fascinating collection of artifacts from the Minoan, Roman, and Byzantine periods. Municipal Art Gallery. This gallery showcases a variety of contemporary art, including paintings, sculptures, and photographs. Harnia Municipal Market. This bustling market is the perfect place to experience the local culture and buy fresh produce, spices, and souvenirs. Beaches near Harnia. Balos Beach. This stunning beach features pink sand and crystal clear turquoise waters. It's a bit of a journey to get there, but the effort is well worth it. Elafonisi Beach, another beautiful beach with pink sand and shallow waters, perfect for families. Palace Beach. This long, sandy beach is ideal for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. Experiences in Harnia. Water sports. Enjoy water sports such as swimming, snorkeling, diving, and windsurfing. Hiking. Explore the stunning Cretan landscape on foot. Food tour. Taste delicious Cretan cuisine, including fresh seafood, local cheeses, and traditional pastries. Boat trips. Take a boat trip to nearby islands or explore the coastline. Harnia is a beautiful city with a rich history and culture. Whether you're interested in history, beaches, or simply relaxing, you're sure to have a wonderful time in Harnia. Heraklion, a blend of ancient and modern. Heraklion is the largest city on the island of Crete and a major cultural and historical center. It's a great base for exploring the island's ancient Minoan civilization and enjoying the beautiful beaches and vibrant nightlife. Must-see attractions in Heraklion. Knossos Palace. One of the most important archaeological sites in Europe, the Palace of Knossos is a fascinating glimpse into the Minoan civilization. Archaeological Museum of Heraklion. This world-class museum houses an impressive collection of Minoan artifacts, including pottery, frescoes, and sculptures. Cool's Fortress, a 16th-century Venetian fortress located on the waterfront, offering panoramic views of the city and harbor. Venetian Harbor, a picturesque harbor with charming cafes, restaurants, and shops. Ias Minas Cathedral, a large Orthodox cathedral with stunning Byzantine architecture. Crete boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in Greece, with crystal clear waters, soft sands, and stunning scenery. Here are some of the top beaches to explore. Elafonisi Beach, renowned for its unique pink sand, Elafonisi is a must-visit for any traveler to Crete. The shallow waters and calm conditions make it ideal for families with young children. Balos Beach, located on the northwestern tip of Crete, Balos Beach is a secluded paradise with turquoise waters and white sand dunes. It's accessible by boat or a long hike. Phalasana Beach. This long, sandy beach stretches for several kilometers and offers a variety of water sports, including windsurfing and kiteboarding. Vai Beach, a picturesque beach with a natural palm forest, Vai Beach is a unique and stunning location. It's a great place to relax and soak up the sun. Matala Beach, located near the town of Matala, this beach is famous for its caves, which were once inhabited by hippies in the 1960s. Provelli Beach, this beautiful beach is located at the mouth of the Samaria Gorge. Visitors can enjoy swimming, sunbathing, and exploring the palm forest. Plakirs Beach, a long, sandy beach with crystal clear waters, Plakirs is a popular destination for families and couples. Agiafarago Gorge Beach, this secluded beach is located at the end of the Agiafarago Gorge. It's a beautiful and peaceful spot, perfect for swimming and snorkeling. These are just a few of the many beautiful beaches that Crete has to offer. With its diverse coastline, there's a beach for everyone, from families to adventure seekers. Crete offers a wide range of accommodation options, from budget-friendly hotels to luxurious resorts. Here are some of the top hotels in Crete, catering to different preferences and budgets. Domes Zine Hania, a luxury collection resort, Crete. This luxurious resort offers stunning sea views, gourmet dining, and a world-class spa. Stellar Island Luxury Resort and Spa Adults Only. This adults-only resort features elegant rooms, multiple pools, and a variety of dining options. Crete Maris Beach Resort. This family-friendly resort offers a wide range of activities, including water sports, kids clubs, and entertainment programs. Ilios Beach Hotel. This affordable hotel offers clean and comfortable rooms, a pool, and a restaurant. Galaxy Hotel. This budget-friendly hotel is located in the heart of Heraklion and offers basic amenities. Ariadne Hotel. This family-run hotel offers affordable accommodation in a quiet location. Casa Delfino Hotel and Spa. This boutique hotel in Hania offers stylish rooms, a spa, and a rooftop terrace. Lagon Life Spirit Boutique Hotel Adults Only. This adults-only hotel in Hania offers luxurious accommodations and a serene atmosphere. Kippos Boutique Suites. This boutique hotel in Heraklion offers stylish suites with modern amenities. When choosing a hotel in Crete, consider your budget, preferred location, and desired amenities. If you're considering moving to Crete, it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully and do your research. With proper planning and a positive attitude, you can enjoy a fulfilling and rewarding life on this beautiful island.